Does your business need a design refresh? Ben from Brisbane firm Kearney Architecture met with an IKEA interior designer to co-create a brand new workspace. Here's how it went.
Our office was looking pretty sad. A lunch table would be great, as opposed to just chairs and a table without a top. So we had a consultation with Janet, an interior designer from IKEA.
We're going to have a look at your plans that we've done.
Yep, we worked through all the furniture options that we could possibly use.
The push opens,
Good.
no handles.
Yeah, it'll go well with the green too, and how we can use those to achieve our pragmatic outcomes. We made a lot of big decisions for the space, and I was really excited to see that vision come to life. I'd recommend other businesses collaborating with IKEA for Business. It's been a great process. Even as an architectural practice, it's taken a heavy burden off that design process of your own office and freed us up to get on with our job of delivering architecture to our clients.